By the way, I'm gluten-free, dairy, and vegan.
You'll be just fine, Chef. I'm Michelle Muñoz.
And I'm Brian Duffy.
And this is Unpack the Snack. Oh. All right, here we go.
Okay.
Here we go. You ready?
Yes. Ooh.
What does that feel like?
It feels like ramen noodles. When
Okay.
you know how it's like rolled up.
Okay.
So yeah.
I can see that.
So I feel a little bit of stickiness and like dry, like there's like a flour on it or something, or sugar maybe.
Like sugar. Give it a smell.
Oh wow, that's not what I expected at all. Is that sesame?
Pretty good.
All right, so
Give it a
I'm
try.
assuming there's like I should follow a. Is there a way to break it? I'll just
Go
do
ahead
that.
and just break it off. You can break up a
Oh,
chunk. There you go.
Jesus. That's sweet.
Do you like it?
I do like that.
I'm gonna join you on it. You're
I do
having
like
too much fun over here. Let's see.
It's like peanuts or
You're very close.
like seeds. Is it like a seed? There's a seed. It's like sesame or.
It's actually all sesame seeds, so you're really spot on, Chef.
Okay, cool.
Do you have an idea of where this snack might possibly be from? What country?
I mean, so sesame seeds, I would assume it's going to be either, I don't know. I don't even know what, Turkey.
Turkey. Close. Not quite.
Really?
Not quite.
Can I take this off?
Take it off.
All right. Oh, look at
Sweet.
that. Sesame snack.
Sesame snack.
It's from Greece.
It's from Greece.
Yeah, it's not bad. I like
Not
that.
bad, right?
Good
It's
choice.
tasty. How do you pronounce this, Chef?
𝗪𝗲𝗎𝗄𝗪𝗏.
It's definitely at the end. This brings up some childhood memories for me.
Ooh.
I ate these a lot when I was a kid.
Where did you grow up?
Haha, I can't give that away.
Oh, I got a stick.
It's a stick. Touch it. What does it feel like?
It feels like I'm doing something wrong. So it feels like a soft lollipop, almost
Right.
marshmallowy.
Yes.
There's a coating on the outside of it. I don't know where that's.
It's a very delicious coating.
Sesame seeds.
Yeah, that sesame seeds just got
stop
stuck.
by to
Sorry, Chef.
Say hi. I'll be fine. So marshmallow. Ooh, what is that? Is that chocolate?
It is chocolate.
So chocolate and marshmallow.
It's chocolate marshmallow inside.
Okay.
But it's got a couple little things. If you continue to feel around it,
It's got other things.
right? Do you feel that? You're close.
Is
You're
that
right
like
on it.
is it a bug? Is there like a bug? Did you guys like
Definitely
dip chocolate and marshmallow?
no bugs in it. I promise you.
Okay. It's like it's jelly.
It's jelly.
So it's like a jelly. Is it like is it a gumdrop button?
It is a gummy and it's a candy. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. They were one of my favorite things to eat when I was a kid.
Oh, that's fun.
Isn't that fun?
Yeah, that's super fun.
Nice.
But I have no idea what the flavors are.
Do you have an idea of what country or origin this is from, Chef?
Well, you said you had it when you were a kid growing up, and you
Yes.
said your last name is Muñoz.
Yes.
So I'm gonna assume that it's of a Mexican
Ding,
something.
ding, ding. Good job. There you
Look
are.
at that
Isn't
little
it
gum.
cute?
My gum's not my gumdrop buttons. It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Once you
I
look
love
at
those.
it, when you look at it, you can get flavor.
Right.
When you just bite into it, there's no
There's no
flavor. 𝗪𝗲𝗪𝗲𝗪𝗲. That's fun. What does that mean?
It means clown popsicle.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, it sounds like a potato chip.
You can hear that, right? All right. Here's the bag.
Is it like dried shrimp or something?
Hold it. Give it a smell.
Salty.
Okay.
Very. It's like a barbecue Pringle
Ah.
is what I smell. So like potato puffy
Okay. The shape is interesting.
is square. Yeah. Are they all the same shape?
I
Or is
believe
it like
so, Chef. I believe
some of
so.
them in the shape
Let's
of a
force them
clown?
out. See what they look like.
Ooh, I like the crunch. It tastes like a pizza combo.
Ah.
Remember the combos that have the pizza through the inside?
Right. Yes.
When you're drunk and you go home and you try to eat the
Oh
cracker
my
on the
gosh,
outside?
nostalgia.
That's
Yes.
where I am.
Can I join you on the fun?
How about if I try to throw it in your mouth?
Oh man, can I try and throw it on yours?
Yeah.
Let's try that. Oh, almost. These are tasty. Bang, ding, ding! It's Israeli, Chef.
Really?
It is a flavored wheat snack called
Pizza.
𝗪𝗲𝗧𝗪𝗲, and it's pizza flavored.
It's not bad.
Super crunchy,
Yeah.
light,
I would totally eat
Tasty.
that.
Me too.
Great drunk snack.
It's called 𝗬cie.
It's pretty good.
It's tasty. I liked it.
Yeah.
Glad you enjoyed my snack,
Good
Chef.
picks.
Yeah.